Christmas time and we are protected. Let's go. Today we are showing you the security camera full kit. It comes with pretty much everything you need, including your mouse for the hub, Ethernet cables, power supply cables. You are good to go. So for starters, this is the hub. I like that they have built-in breathability for it. A lot of brands don't do that. On the back here, you can see you got your HDMI, reset sync, Ethernet cable port, USB, power supply port as well. So this hub, in short, basically gets the signals from your cameras and stores everything inside here for your access. 4-channel, 4-camera, and you will need power supply. So it gives you the power cable. You will need to be able to connect it to a plug. You do get plenty of cable length. Again, comes with its mounting brackets. So this is the camera. You got 2-point lenses, lens right here, lens up top here, LED lights on there as well. So fully rotatable, so you can, within the app, you can easily rotate it around. SD card can go in here, I believe, I believe it goes in there for external. If not, then it's just the hub. Full rotation, left, right. You can adjust this. Antennas. Overall, that's the camera unit itself.